What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, still looking as though it's forming up very nicely in the chart, trading very technically here. You can see, as we've always said, massive coiling motion with the breakout of this big, pennant formation that we've seen over the past few months, ever since May. We do get the breakout here. We come up to a swing high of around 222. We roll over throughout, November, with obviously Bitcoin looking fairly bearish in that period. And you can see here, we came down, we swept the lows at the 618 where we found support multiple times here. And then since then, we've been in a bit of an uptrend, haven't we, which has been looking really nice to see. You can see Polygon actually got up to around that 257, 258 mark, which is almost the all-time high here, all the way up at around, it was that 266 area where the all-time high came in. Had a little bit of a rollover over the past few days, obviously with Bitcoin still looking quite bearish. Bitcoin, looking like it really wants to bleed the alts as much as it can, but Polygon is saying that it isn't interested in bleeding whatsoever. You can see very clearly here this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, coming down, making this higher low, and now looking potentially like it might be coming back up for that next leg up to the all-time high and beyond. Overall, Polygon looking extremely strong in these market conditions, isn't it? We've seen, a lot of altcoins, they're down 60, 70, maybe even 80% from their all-time highs currently, with, Bitcoin currently looking quite weak in the market. A lot of people shorting the bottom for Bitcoin by the looks of it. And obviously we are seeing, a lot of fear and uncertainty in the market because Bitcoin currently trading at around 47k after having, quite a large fall from the all-time high at around 69k. But, Polygon doesn't seem that interested, does it? Because, even though it does have these reactions to the downside with Bitcoin rolling over, we do see these big orders coming back in to basically buy the dip very quickly, don't you? You can see here, when we had the huge dip for Bitcoin here, Polygon actually dropped. Let's take a look at this. It dropped around 33% in one day. And then in the next 2 days, we were back at the same price and even beyond here before having another technical correction of overextension of, basically getting overbought. So you can see there's a large amount of demand for Polygon right now. And you can see just how technically it's trading here. It's actually kind of crazy when you look at it. We've got these previously outlined levels here. This swing high that we had previously at 180 and this swing high here at 222. Both very key levels that we said would come back into confluence with the chart at some point. And you can see it's unbelievable really when you look at this. You can see our fib, we've had a fib pull from the all-time high down to that swing low from May to July, I believe it was. You can see here we come down, 618 is support, 078 as resistance, back down to the 0618 as support, all the way up to this new swing high here, at least local swing high. Have that big correction for Bitcoin where we come all the way down. We find support in and around the 618 again. We get the bounce, we come back down again. We find support both times actually on that 180 previous swing high. We come up for a new local swing high at 258 here. Roll over again, back down to, you guessed it, the 180 here, with Bitcoin looking bearish yet again. And you can see quite clearly what's happened. We've run up, hit ahead on that previous swing high at 222. Rolled over to the 618, to the 078, sorry, again at that 195 level. Got the bounce up again, just putting in absolute crazy ranges between these levels. You can see just how technical this actually is. This isn't just wild, crazy price action. You can see that people are actually, trading very technically here in terms of levels. You can see all these levels here: resistance, support, support, swing high, come back down, fall back under resistance, roll to support, up to resistance, down to support, back up to resistance. It's just all a game of support and resistance really. But overall, you can see on our hourly time frame, Polygon trending to the upside, and we do think, provided that this level does get broke fairly soon, we could be looking at all-time highs for Polygon over the next few weeks in our opinion. So We'll keep things short and sweet. Short-term price predictions if we roll. Obviously, this $1.95 to $2 area will be a key support. We could see ourselves range here for a while like this and then move to the upside. If we rolled further, we've obviously got that 180 level yet again coming in as support. Obviously, if we have a market dump, the 618 as well. Oh, and then if we break this level here at 222, back test, we will be heading up probably towards the all-time high here, make that new higher high, continue the uptrend that we did talk about earlier. And as we said, ad nauseum really, we do think Polygon is a really great project. It's done so well already in this bull market, doing hundreds of multiples. And we do think $5 or $10 for Polygon, only a 2 to 4x from the all-time high, seems very likely in our opinion. This is an ecosystem that is undervalued, getting fleshed out more and more with DeFi. And we do think $5 to $10 seems quite likely, considering that, it's been trading sideways for a good while here, hasn't it? Let's be honest. But we do think that breakout is coming fairly soon in our opinion. And we're probably going to see a really, really nice move to the upside if that's the case fairly soon. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.